Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at a serious heavy-duty solution for large displays, the ONKRON Mobile TV Stand on wheels, designed specifically for massive 70 to 110-inch TVs and professional-grade setups. This is not a lightweight consumer stand. The ONKRON Mobile TV Stand is built to handle a maximum load of up to 320 pounds, making it suitable for extremely large TVs, commercial displays, and interactive panels. If you're dealing with oversized screens, this stand is engineered to support them safely and securely. One of the biggest strengths here is stability. The frame is constructed using high-strength aluminum, which keeps the structure rigid while still being lighter than steel-based carts. The wide base design distributes weight evenly, reducing wobble and improving safety, especially important in offices, schools, conference rooms, hospitals, or event spaces. The stand supports VESA mounting patterns up to 1000 by 600, meaning it's compatible with most extra-large TVs from brands like LG, Samsung, Sony, TCL, and commercial display manufacturers. Installation is straightforward, and once mounted, the TV feels solid and well-balanced. Mobility is another key feature. The heavy-duty caster wheels allow smooth rolling across floors, while the locking mechanism keeps the stand firmly in place when positioned. You can easily move this TV between rooms, stages, or classrooms without needing multiple people. Height adjustability adds flexibility. You can set the screen at the perfect viewing level depending on whether it's being used for presentations, video conferences, digital signage, or home theater viewing. The included metal shelf is perfect for placing media players, laptops, AV receivers, or streaming devices. This stand is ideal for corporate meetings, exhibitions, trade shows, classrooms, control rooms, and large home theaters where wall mounting is not practical or allowed. It combines strength, portability, and professional design into one reliable solution. Overall, the ONKRON Mobile TV Stand is built for users who need maximum load capacity, wide compatibility, and dependable mobility. If you're working with very large screens, this is the kind of stand that gives real peace of mind. Check the Amazon link below for current pricing and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and support the channel, it helps more than you think.